Welcome to the official YouTube channel of USA Sandwich Panel. We are a leading provider of high-quality sandwich panels, offering an extensive range of products to cater to your construction needs. Our channel is dedicated to showcasing the superior features and benefits of our panels, as well as providing valuable insights into the world of construction and building materials. At USA Sandwich Panel, we take pride in offering sandwich panels that are not only cost-effective, but also of exceptional quality. Our panels are designed to meet the highest industry standards and are built to withstand various environmental conditions. Whether you are working on a residential, commercial, or industrial project, our panels are a perfect choice. One of the key features of our sandwich panels is their excellent soundproofing capabilities. We understand the importance of creating a peaceful and quiet environment, and our panels effectively minimize noise transmission, allowing you to enjoy a serene atmosphere. Additionally, our panels offer outstanding insulation properties, keeping your building well regulated in terms of temperature and energy efficiency. Sustainability is at the core of our manufacturing process. We are committed to minimizing our environmental impact, and our panels are made from sustainable materials that are recyclable and eco-friendly. By choosing our panels, you contribute to a greener future and promote sustainable building practices. Our sandwich panels are known for their exceptional load-bearing capacity, providing structural stability and safety to your construction projects. With our panels, you can confidently construct roofs, exteriors, and interiors, knowing that they can withstand heavy loads and adverse weather conditions. On this channel, we will provide informative videos about the features, installation processes, and applications of our sandwich panels. You will gain valuable insights into the various profiles we offer, including roof panels, exterior panels, and interior panels. We will also share tips, techniques, and industry trends related to construction and building materials. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest developments in the world of sandwich panels. Explore our videos to discover the versatility, durability, and affordability of our products.